Tired of seeing that Discover People tab on Instagram and just wish it would disappear? Let's get rid of it. Alright, so you know the Discover People section. It usually hangs out right at the top of your profile page. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a direct, built-in way to completely remove it. But don't worry. We have a few workarounds that can help minimize its appearance or make it less intrusive. First things first, go to your Instagram profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens up the Settings menu. From the menu that pops up, look for and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the options we need to adjust. Now scroll down until you see Contacts, Syncing and tap on it. If Connect Contacts is turned on, this is where Instagram is getting suggestions based on your phone contacts. Turn this off. After turning it off, you can select Disconnect Contacts to remove the synced contacts. Now, let's go back to the main Settings and Privacy menu. We're going to look for something called Suggested Content. Sometimes it's under a general section or similar wording, so keep an eye out. Tap on Snooze Suggested Posts in Feed. By selecting 30 days, Instagram will be showing you less suggested posts, including the Discover People option. While this won't completely remove the Discover People section, these steps will significantly reduce the frequency and relevance of the suggestions, making it less prominent on your profile. The more you interact with profiles you actually want to follow, the better the algorithm becomes at showing you relevant content, and the less intrusive the Discover People suggestions will be. So, give these steps a try, and hopefully, you'll find your Instagram experience a little less cluttered. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.